Guys, I just want to talk about my plan for my house in Cabra. My auntie holds charge of that yet, so what happened is, so Bobby passed away, which you guys already know, and I very much love and appreciate the approach you guys have taken to that video. So my house is going to get sold, but I might be getting all the money off it, so I have to wait and see what happens with that. So, not in the process yet that I'm aware of. So yeah, all that I have up there. So yeah, I'm now currently living in long-term care, a little bit longer than my last one. So I'll be in it for a lot longer than my last residential care. So, So Bobby passed away, and between now and next year the house is might be sold. So that won't be something of a light heart, so yeah. Alright guys, I just thought I would let you know if the house is going to be sold. Yeah, I still need to get Bobby's ashes and collar. If I ever do end up getting possession of them, I'll post me videos about it. And when I do get Bobby's ashes, if I get them, I plan let them go in the Bogies Park in Cabra, where I'm originally from. Cheers to Cabra! High five! Big virtual hug. I miss yous all so much. I miss yous all so much. Inside Cabra, outside Cabra, I miss yous a lot. Oh yeah, and my mum is in hospital as well, so my family are all let's have a bit of fun over here, but this is really serious stuff. My birth family are all dropping like flies. I'm the only thing that rhymes of them, so yeah, my mum is alive in hospital, but I told her that Bobby died. It wasn't a huge reaction, so I don't got no way about it. Yeah. A lot going on, so yeah. I love that we can just have connection over here, and look, I'm like the weekend with me Fabio, but I love it. I just love my life, and I just love the singers as singers. But yeah, so my case now has life that Bobby died. Well, yeah, Bobby died. Mam's in hospital. I don't know how I hold on so strongly, but you know what? I love and support you guys, no matter what you guys are going through, and yeah. So yeah. Look, this is kind of like the nightmare before Christmas, with the roof in it, like the edge of the cliff, the big moon and the edge of the cliff. Remember? Alright, guys. I love yous. Let's have a big virtual hug out. Miss yous. I miss yous all so much.